Hello guys, welcome to Think High. In this video, we are going to learn about the importance of success. This is the first video of Think High. I shall hope that you all might love our video and give us more love, and we hope you all like our video, subscribe and share it. So let's begin our video. Our topic of today is success. Today's generation is least bothered about success and more depressed about failure. So what is this success? Is this success is final or failure is not fatal? But the real meaning is success is the courage to continue that counts. The road to success and the road to failure are almost exactly the same. So let us begin to understand about the importance of success. So, don't compare yourself with anyone in this world. If you are comparing, then you are insulting yourself. Like, we shouldn't compare ourselves with anyone. Like, we should never compare our level with any other high level or to the low level. Like example, if we are middle class, we shouldn't never compare ourselves with any high class people, because if we compare, it's like we are insulting ourselves. And if we compare the third class people, we'll think that we are the most greater. That is not the success. And next, no one will manufacture a lock without a key. Similarly, God won't give problems without solutions. So maybe this is the most favorite quote of everyone. Quotes are not those which we will put in status or something. Quotes are those which we have to understand. Like maybe no one will manufacture a lock without its key. If there is a no key, how will the lock will open? So similarly, even God will not create any problem without its solution. God will first create the solution, then He will create the problem. So it's our thing which we have to search the solutions. If we are only focusing on problems, how will we find the solutions? So next, this is the most quote which is applicable to our life. Like, life laughs at you when you are unhappy, and life smiles at you when you are happy. Life salutes you when you make others happy. This is the most common quote which is going on in everyone's life. Like in young generations, they all are being depressed, stressed from each and everything. They are not going to search happiness. They are only going to search some mistakes in others' life or discussing about problems and all. They never go to search happiness. So the same way this quote is relating to the one who is unhappy. If he is unhappy, life laughs at them. So it's better we always be happy in each and every moment of our life. Every successful person has a painful story, and every painful story has a successful ending. So accept the pain and get ready for success. Yeah, this is like there is a Hindi poem like कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. So the same way, every successful person will be having one or other painful story, like something like he has to sacrifice or something. Like they say na, कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ खोना पड़ता है. The same way. So we have to accept the pain and we have to get ready for the success. This is the quote which everyone does in their life. Like, it's easy to judge the mistakes of others, but difficult is to recognize our own mistakes. We just see the other's mistake, but we never see what the mistake we are doing. The example is, it is easier to protect your feet with slippers than to cover the earth with carpet. Yes, na, we can wear slippers for our feet, not to feel hot or cold. But can we cover the earth with a carpet? It's not possible. Same way, we'll only think about mistakes of others rather than thinking of our own mistakes and recognizing it. Thanks. No one can go back and change a bad beginning, but anyone can start now and create a successful ending. I have seen many people, like, they will think only about the past. They will think, we have done this has happened to me. Like, what will they get by thinking of past? Past is past. We have to create our future. Past is past. Now we have to create a future. If we want to create our future, then we have to work hard in our present situation. So we can't go and change anything in the past. No, we'll sit and we'll imagine that we had to do that, like, and all about the past. But is it possible? It's not possible. So why to waste our time by thinking the past? We have to work on our present to make our future bright. So even now also, one can start now and create a successful ending. Then, if a problem can be solved, no need to worry about it. If a problem cannot be solved, what is the use of worrying? This is the question actually. Just ask this question to yourself. If a problem can be solved, no, we won't think about that. We have to work on the solution. But what if that problem is not being solved? Is it the solution of worrying? Maybe the solution of worrying leads to something like diseases or not. So, what is the problem? First, we have to understand what is the problem. Then we have to focus on the solution. In spite of that, if we keep on worrying, it will lead to some damage itself, or it will lead to harm. That's it, nothing else. Next, if you miss an opportunity, don't fill it with tears. If you miss an opportunity, never be upset, because in that upsetness you will lose another opportunity. The same way it has been quoted that it will hide another better opportunity in front of you. So the next, changing the face can change nothing, but facing the change can change everything. So, does anyone understood this line? So, changing the face, like, if we change the problem itself, will there be anything? No. But if we face the change, then it can change everything. So, don't complain about others. Change yourself if you want peace. If you complain about others, will you get something? Will you get peace? Nothing you will get. So, stop complaining about others and lead your life with peace. So, mistakes are painful when they happen, but years later, collection of mistakes is called as experience, which will lead to success. Right? No, success is the one which we get from our experience. No one will get success in one step. So success itself is a collection of mistakes which is called as experience. So mistakes are painful. Even we get hurt if we do any mistake. But will we repeat those mistakes in our life? We will never repeat those mistakes, because we will get to know that mistakes are painful. We will just collect that experience and we will put in the journey of success. So, to end the journey of success, I'll say you an quote: be bold when you lose and be calm when you win. If you win something, be calm. Never show overconfidence, never show attitude. And if you lose, also be bold. It's not like you have lost, you should be silent, you shouldn't talk to any others, you shouldn't go out, you shouldn't laugh. Nothing is like that. If you lose, be bold, and if you win, be calm. So, this is the last quote which I am going to relate to the success. Heated gold becomes ornament. Beaten copper becomes wires. Depleted stones become statue. So, the main pain you get in life, you become more valuable, right? How much the pain you will get in your life, the more you will become valuable. So friends, it is better to fail in originality than to succeed in imitation. Success usually comes to those who are too busy to be looking for it. So friends, I hope you got the importance of success, and I hope that you have loved our video. So please like our video, subscribe and share. Thank you.